You're watching part 2 of the series CapCut from Zero to Hero. In part 1, we learned the basics, and today, in part 2, we're gonna make our videos look and sound amazing. Let's jump straight in. Hi, I'm Maryam, and welcome back to my channel, Live and Learn with Maryam. To make it simple, I'll use the example of making a pizza. Let's get started. First of all, let's import our clips. Simple drag and drop. I'm adding different stages of making pizza, from dough to toppings to baking. These clips will be our raw material. Once the clips are on the timeline, you can press, hold, drag, and drop them to rearrange in the order you want. So I'll place kneading dough, then adding sauce, then toppings, and finally the baked pizza. Now it already feels like a story. To make it clear for viewers, let's add text overlays. I told you how to add text in the part 1 also. This is great for captioning your video step by step or adding subtitles. Between clips, let's smooth things out with the transitions. Tap on the Transition tab. Here you'll see so many types of transitions. Some are freely available for all users, and some are only for the Pro version users. It's your choice to whether subscribe to the Pro version or not. To add any transition of your choice, you simply need to click on this plus button. Make sure you're nearest to the joint on which you want to add the transition. We can set duration of the transition using this scale or by stretching this transition here. If you like a transition and want to apply the same to each joint on the main track, you can use this Apply to All button here. It applies that transition with the same time duration to each and every clip on the track. Visual transitions are good, but with sound, they're next level. Tap Audio, then Effects. Here you see different types of sound effects. We'll go to the Transitions and select a random sound effect. You can explore all and see which one you want for your requirements. We'll match the sound effect exactly with our transition point for the best results. Now let's add narration. This mic button here lets you record your audio while editing. Click the record button, it will show a countdown, then we'll speak. This voiceover is added as a normal audio clip where your playhead is while recording. You can trim or re-record until you're satisfied. Now here's something that most beginners miss. These 4 options right above the timeline. This is linkage. I'll first turn it off to show you what it does. These clips are moving but not the text above them. Now I'll turn it on. Did you see the difference? The test clips are attached with the video clips and are moving with them. This links your main track video or image with the objects present above and below within that duration, so they move together. It's super handy if you don't want them misaligned. When auto snipping is on, the main track shows a line to set the duration of the other objects. It's very useful if we want any text, overlay, audio, sticker, or anything to start or end on the main track. This is Main Track Magnet. This keeps your clips snapping together neatly so there's no accidental gaps in the main track. This is Preview Access. This plays both video and audio for precise editing without moving the playhead. Now we've completed editing it, but still there's something missing. Every great edit needs a background music. So for that we'll go to the Audio, Sounds, and here you can browse CapCut's free library. Or you can also import your own track, like I'll do here. Place it under your clips. Adjust the volume so it doesn't overpower your voice and other sounds. We can also add fade in and out for smoothness, which I'll show you in the next video. To make clips more dynamic, we can use animations. For that, select a clip, tap Animation. Here you can browse all the animations. These are in animations. These are out animations. Or we can also use a combo which has in and out both. for a full movement effect. I will keep it subtle, as too many animations can look messy. This one is just to show you. Finally, when your edit is done, type the export button at the top right, select the path for the folder where you want to save this video, choose resolution and frame rate depending on your platform, then hit export. Congratulations, you've just completed another polished edit in CapCut. So, today we imported clips, rearranged them, added text, transitions, sound effects, voiceover, background music, animations, and finally exported the video. But we're not stopping here. In the next part, I'll show you how to take your edits even further, adding stickers, overlays, custom icons from external sources, and much more. So, make sure to check out the next video in this series. The link is right in the playlist. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a step on your editing journey. See you in the part 3.